We all know people who go the absolute extra mile when it comes to everything. And as a result, they might end up putting more time and more effort into things, but the end result, undeniably, is incredible. And for people like that, who've got a project car on the go, we've got some helpful hints for you when it comes to dealing with that rusted out car floor. Here, it's being replaced with what is some custom cut aluminum extrusion. Replacing a rusted out car floor with extrusion can be a challenging process. But with the right technique, the right tools, some patience and hard work, you can do it yourself. Here are the steps for making or sourcing aluminum extrusion and installing it to replace that old floor. First, you need to measure the car floor. The size and shape of the rusted out section of the car floor needs to be replaced, so you need as close to the exact measurements as possible, though you will certainly be sourcing a larger section and trimming down to size. Once you've got the measurements, find a supplier. You can search online or visit local metal fabrication shops to find a supplier of aluminum extrusion. Look for a supplier who can provide extrusion in the size and shape you need, and you can also cut the extrusion to the right length and save you that hassle. Then order it, and be sure to order enough material to cover the entire rusted out section again, and then some. When it comes to installation, you first need to remove the rusted out section of the car floor. You can use a number of different cutting tools, such as a reciprocating saw or angle grinder, to cut out that rusted out section. Be sure to wear protective gear, such as gloves, eye protection, a face mask in general, while cutting, and make sure to be working in a well-ventilated area. Then fit the extrusion, which involves placing the aluminum into the gap where the rusted out section of the floor was removed. Use clamps to hold it into place, and then you can drill holes and secure it with a drill and screws or bolts, or, as being seen here, you might be able to weld it into place. Make sure it is secure. If not, your eventual project car might not be safe to drive. Next, you need to seal the edges with a sealant, such as automotive silicone or epoxy. This will help prevent water from getting into the car and causing rust. Now to test the repair. By driving the car on a smooth, flat surface, listen for any unusual noises or vibrations, and check periodically to ensure that it remains secure. It can be a tricky one, specifically when it comes to getting everything out of the car and then sourcing that extrusion, but it will be rewarding and save you money.